Summer is the time of celebrations, and many of us go to the store and get some plastic confetti. But other people take rose petals and use those. Aren't those beautiful? And they're a great way to celebrate any occasion. But we have one more idea to replace that plastic confetti. Why not use a hole punch and get leaves from your garden? This is an iris leaf. And look how easy that is to punch out little circles, little holes, and then use it for the confetti. You can use hosta leaves, and look at this one. This was already damaged from slugs, so it's really not taking anything away from our garden, and we're using it for the confetti. This is a cool plant called eucomis, or pineapple lily, so use things that have different colors, because then the confetti will be different colored. And there are other plants to use from your garden. This is brunnera, or Chinese forget-me-not, and look at the silver on that. That will be very pretty for the confetti. And also something thick-leafed like a hellebore. We did try a weed. We did try this dandelion, and it's way too thin, so it didn't stand up. You know, this is a great alternative to plastic store-bought confetti. It's natural, it's organic, and it'll just disappear back into the environment. So using plants for confetti, it's a great way to celebrate a summer occasion.